Well, Ghost from the Past. Let's see what happens. Maybe? Huh? Okay, let's just open these up and take out all the booster packs. Okay, so what's up, guys? I have 18 packs of Ghost from the Past. I had one display box come in a little bit earlier than expected, so I went down to my local card shop, was only able to get one box of Ghost from the Past from those guys. They're limiting them 2 per person per each day, which gives them, you know, it gives everybody a fair opportunity to pick up a pack or a box of these, because obviously these are scarce. Walmart, Target, all those guys. Anyways, let's try our luck. I got 18 packs here, so I really don't want to do this. So yeah, let's do this. We'll start over here with this guy. So half of my other shipment is kind of MIA right now. Yeah, it's like 2 more display boxes of Ghost from the Past, but I figured I'm not gonna wait, so let's just hurry up and get this. Alright, let's see if we can get that ghost rare. We got Metal Foes, Phantom Knight's Fog Blade, Gigantes, Gear Town, Starry Night Balefire. A lot of these are really beautiful looking cards. So interesting that they made everything an ultra rare in this set. I mean, other than the ghost rares themselves. So we got some old cards, we got some new cards, a little bit of everything. Very controversial set. Milithrium. Metal Foes Combination. We got a Ojama Country. Medolce Fresh Sistart. Very nice looking one. And we got a Dragoonity Knight. Very nice. So my thoughts with this set, I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air whether or not I'm going to keep these cards. I might just resell them to kind of recoup some money that was lost purchasing these products, but you never know. I guess we'll see. So we got a Sunvine Gardener, a Lavalval Dragon, Heretic Seal from the Ashes, Siriaru. I remember this one. This is an old school card. I'm actually really happy that they reprinted this one. This one is well needed. I think you could only get it in a game promo. And Evenly Matched. Probably the most expensive card in the set thus far. So it's really cool to see this get a reprint. Well needed. Definitely well needed. Alright. So we're into the second box, so Heretic Seal of Convocation, Medolce Petting Cesure, we got a Cosmojo, Metal Foes Stealing, and then a Raid Raptor Tribute Lanius. Very nice looking card. Come on. See if we can get the ghost rare. Pull off the impossible. We got a Medolce Chateau, a Salaman Great Falco. We got a Metal Foes Fusion, Dragon Knight Draco Esquite. Come on. And a Starry Night Sky. Because this set is so new, I'll try to put prices up, but I mean, I've been seeing all kinds of things going on with this specific set. Cards are going up, cards are going down, ghost rares are at an all-time high, and then ghost rares are dropping in price. So I guess we'll see. We got a Sunvine Healer, and then Time Thief Startup. And then we got a Heretic Sky Dragon, Overlord of Heliopolis. Very cool. Laval Volcano Handmaiden, very pretty card. Fairy Tale Tales, Starry Night Blast, and we got a Heretic Dragon King of Atum, and Vampire Voivode. I believe the word on the street is that the artist for the Castlevania games did the art for this card, so it would make sense. It definitely looks like a cover of a Castlevania game, so that's actually really cool. It's a very cool card. Alright, we'll move on to the Blackluster Soldier packs. Oh boy. Alright. We got a Time Thief hack. What is this? The Heretic Sun Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis. We got a Heretic Seal of Banishment. Arc Brave Dragon. In a Starry Night Arrival. A lot of these cards are very, very, very pretty. The art, everything, the rarities, just makes them pop. Alright. 5 cards per pack. Come on. Dragoonity Draft. Heretic Dragon of Tefnuit. We got a Time Thief Regulator. A Photon Thrasher. And we got another Starry Night Sky. I don't think we have another one. I don't know. I'm not really keeping track. Maybe that might be the first time I pulled it. I don't know. I'm more concerned about pulling a ghost rare. So we got a Mind Mole. Very cute looking card. Look at that. We got Emergency Teleport. Another Time Thief. Chronocorder. Sunsea Genius Loki? And then Nest Shadal Genius. Very cool. I definitely seen that the Shadal's got some more support with this Nest Shadal Genius. And what is it? Hell Shadal Hollow? So maybe we'll pull a Hell Shadal next. Alright. Royal Prison. Backup Secretary. Metal Foes Gold Driver. Time Thief Flyback. And Galaxy Eyes Cypher X Dragon. So from what I understand, this is one of the harder cards to pull in this set. At least ratio wise. Some people are having an easy time pulling it, other people are having a harder time, so I guess I haven't bought a case of this, so I don't necessarily I can't necessarily speak on ratios per se. So I mean, I just got a handful of display boxes. So Time Thief Redoer. Another Danger Thunderbird. That's a random card to throw in the set, but okay. Metal Foes Counter. Miracle Synchro Fusion. And Heretic Seal of Creation. Okay. Come on. Let us see what we can get. Sunseed Twin. Sun Avalon Bloom. Heretic Seal of Reflection. Resonator Engine. Starry Night Rael. I think this is one of the newer cards that came out in this set. Very beautiful. Alright. Blasting through these packs, so come on. We got a Salomon Great Fowl. Terror of Trishula. Wait, let's go back and look. That's a very cool looking card. Metal Foes Volflame. blah blah blah. We got a recover and time thief double barrel. Double barrel. Cool. Alright, after this pack we got 3 more left. So let's see if the Dark Magician packs can give us any luck. Any luck would be appreciated. Okay, we got a Maldolce Fresh Sistart. We got Mass Change 2. We got Dark Requiem Xyz Dragon. Very cool. I actually love this card. We got a Cosmo Tin Can and Dragoonity Glow. Definitely glows, that's for sure. Or sparkles, I guess. I guess would be the correct term. Because it's very shiny. Again, every single one of these cards in this set is an ultra rare. So, keep that in mind. Mass Change 2. Another Dark Requiem Xyz Dragon. I will take it. Another Cosmo Tin Can. Kind of looks like the same pack we just had. Time Thief Hack. Meteor Black Comet Dragon. That is very cool. Awesome. Okay, 2 more packs. Rare Metaphors Bismugear. Artifact Durandal. We got an Evil Thorn. Very evil. A Resonator Call. And Hieratic Seal of Heavenly Spheres. It's very cool. Alright. Last pack. These are beautiful looking packs, by the way. Let's see what we can get. Madolce Pudding Cessure. Pudding Cess. Time Thief Winder. Dragoonity Phalanx. Interesting looking card. Mass Change, number 1. And what is it? A Dragoonity Knight. Very cool. Well, as you can see, we got a nice stack of ultra rares. I mean, I really don't know what else to say about this set other than a lot of the cards are very pretty. I'll give you that. I mean, I don't know value-wise, because some of the decisions they made of some of the cards they threw in here for this set is very questionable, but nonetheless, it's a new set from Konami. I mean, we haven't had a new set in what, months at this point, but regardless, some of the cards are very cool looking, some of them are very pretty, some of them are well needed reprints, some of them are very questionable throw-ins, just kind of like a filler, so to speak, but no ghost rare so far, but this definitely won't be the last time I open this on the channel. I mean, I'm probably gonna grab a handful more of display cases or display boxes if I can find it at a decent price, because the value of this set is just all over the place, evenly matched, and I don't know. It's going to kind of make it impossible for people who just want to buy the set to open it up for fun. But if you can find it, and if you can find it at a decent price, don't overpay. Please, absolutely do not overpay for this set. I understand the chase cards for the ghost rares are very tempting to throw down the money on. But again, it's a gamble. You're not guaranteed. You're not guaranteed that ghost rare, especially if you buy cases of it, because there's been so many there's been so many different YouTubers who have opened up this project on and off camera, and the ratios are just all over the place with the ghost rares. So in the meantime, you know, tread with caution, guys. So that'll do it for this opening. So thank you guys for sticking around. A lot of cool cards. Again, I don't know whether or not if I'm gonna sell off all these cards or just kind of keep them, throw them in a binder, just because a lot of the rarity bumps for the reprints are actually pretty cool, and some of the new cards are actually really cool looking too. But yeah, in the meantime, guys, stay safe. You know, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel opened up. I definitely want to get some more ghosts from the past on the channel, but you know, until then, peace out, guys.